Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a K&N intake and a 01 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter. We don't even know how to install it yet, so we're going to read the directions, look at videos and stuff. We'll get back with y'all when we actually know how to do it. Yeah! Okay, so right now we're going to take this off and then we're going to read the instructions and see how to... Wait, is that good right there? So right now we're gonna take this intake off and then we're gonna go from there. So let's start that. So we took the stock one out and we put these things in. I guess these are stoppers right here for that. And now we're doing the mass airflow sensor, screwing that onto here, and we're just gonna go step by step. So yeah. Step by step. Oh, baby. So we're almost done with it. We just need the filter and that's drying. We're cleaning it because it was kind of dirty. This is how it looks. Looks pretty tight. Looks cool. So we tightened everything down. But we're gonna see if it sounds any different from what my truck did last time when I had the stock one in it, and see if it increased anything. Yeah. Sorry I didn't record that much, but this is the final look. I'm gonna turn the truck on and give it a little gas and show y'all how it sounds. So yeah, let me try to set this camera up. Yeah, that is how she sounds. I love it. I love that little whistle sound. Oh, you can't really see it, but if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to drop a comment. I don't know if y'all can see me right now, but make sure to drop a comment and subscribe to this channel if y'all want to see more installations. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot on this truck, so stay tuned. And yeah, peace.